Man, to be honest, probably the best thing that I've ever learned in life is that if you know how to use these 7 powerful words I'm about to share with you, then basically what you find out is that everything you've been told about reality and life is wrong, and that you can literally create any reality that you want in life. If you have the ability to imagine something, to really dwell in the possibilities of the things that you want in life, you can actually get them in your life if you use these 7 powerful words. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and here's how to transform your life with positive affirmations using these 7 powerful words. Let's dive right into this video. If there's anything you've ever wanted that you haven't gotten yet, I'm going to show you why it hasn't happened and how to get it quicker and faster. So make sure that you fasten your seatbelt, and let's see what happens to your bank account, your love life, your health, your career, your income when you use these 7 words. I have a feeling some good things are going to start happening. So, just a disclaimer before I share with you these 7 powerful words. I actually grew up a total skeptic. When I first heard of these words and I first heard this idea that I'm about to share with you, I was a total skeptic. I was like, yeah, okay, this is silly. I grew up an atheist. I did not think that your mind had any real power also. And the one thing though was, there were certain things I really wanted in life. I had just started writing my first book. It was self-published. I really wanted it to eventually be published and become very successful writing books. I really wanted that. I really wanted my soulmate. I really wanted financial freedom. And so I said, okay, I'm going to suspend my disbelief. Suspend your disbelief. And I said, okay, I'll suspend it and I'll do these 7 words and I'll do these affirmations the way that I'm hearing I should be doing them. And I'm going to suspend my disbelief because I want my desires more than I want my belief systems. I want my desires more than my belief systems. And my belief systems were, I'm just a body, my thoughts don't matter, my mind doesn't count, life's very hard, you gotta slug it out and work as hard as you possibly can. I found out all of it was wrong. And I think you're gonna find out the same thing here shortly. So, before we get to the 7 words and the next thing I'm going to share with you, make sure that you grasp this first part. You have to suspend your disbelief. I'm not asking you to believe anything. I'm just asking you to suspend your current beliefs and just try something on. And what you're going to find is the money's going to come, the love's going to come, the soulmate's going to come, the opportunities are going to show up. You're going to find yourself a lot happier than you ever thought and more excited about life. But you have to suspend your disbelief. So comment that down below, suspend my disbelief. Comment that down below, suspend my disbelief. So, like I told you, I was trying to get my books up. And I was trying to build my career. And I didn't think it was going to work. Everyone told me it wasn't going to work. I got denied by every single publishing company. I was told, oh, your hair's too long. Oh, you don't have the right this and that and this and that. And I made this affirmation and it said, I am so happy and grateful. I am a world-renowned author, an online personality. Now get this second part. This is the most important part. This is the most important part. Making millions of dollars and inspiring millions of people. Guess what? Just by the way, now that's a subjective thing. You could say, well, how do you define that? Well, I make millions of dollars and this channel inspires millions of people. My books have reached millions of people. They're in school districts now. I was a 19-year-old college dropout. I barely got into college. The only reason I got into college is I was a first-team All-San Diego basketball player. My mom actually wrote my college admission essays because I couldn't focus. I thought I had ADD, I had ADHD. So I had all these belief systems about who I thought I was. And I'm guessing you do too in your own way. And I'm inviting you to suspend those and replace them just for a little while with what it is that you want. Now, I'm going to share with you how to use these powerful words now. So, did you catch where the 7 powerful words were? I am so happy and grateful now. I am so happy and grateful now. I'm a world-renowned thought leader. I'm a world-renowned author. Right? That's it. I am so happy and grateful now. But Jake, this is so simple. You said this was going to be so good. So looking back, the reason affirmations and just really the power of the mind never work for me, and it doesn't work for most people, is affirmations and goals are always time-based. I really hope that this will happen. I'm working on this thing happen. I'm going to have this thing. All of those types of verbiage are time-based, meaning what you want may or may not come in the future. If you can convince your mind you already have something now, it will always show up in your life. The way to do that is to trick it with certain words. I am so happy and grateful now. What do you notice there? First of all, it's in the present tense, not the future. I'm going to get this. I am working on this. I hope that this comes. I wish that this comes. It's in the present tense. I am so happy and grateful now. All of a sudden, your mind starts to think it's real. What else is in there? We have gratitude. If you can feel gratitude that you already have what you want before you have it, you will always get it. That's how it works. Now, I just feel like you're getting airy-fairy on me here. Wait. You know the first time you drive a car? I remember my first time. I was with my mom. We were in the parking lot of the high school that I went to on a weekend, and I was in the driver's seat. My beautiful mother was in the passenger seat. Don't press that. Oh, press that. And then I'm on my head. Oh, this is so unnatural. And it was really unnatural to use one foot. I wanted to use 2 feet, one on the gas and one on the brake. It was very unnatural. After about a month, it was very easy. It became natural. It became automatic. It became a part of who I was. It became a part of my mind doing it without me needing to think. It became natural. And it was unnatural. That's the same way convincing your mind you already have what you want works. I am so happy and grateful now that I'm making $5,000 a month, that I'm making $10,000 a month. I am so happy and grateful now. I have my beautiful soulmate. We have an amazing family with 2 wonderful children on 3 acres of wooded property in our gorgeous home in the mountains, in the desert. I am so grateful now that I have attracted amazing clients. My business is bigger than ever. I am so grateful now that I am. What is it? Now, this is free will. And the question is, do you dare? Do you dare to dream? Do you dare to say yes? Do you dare to close your eyes and imagine the life that you want? I'm giving you the first part. I am so happy and grateful now. But you have to fill in that second part. In the present tense, what is it that you want most out of life? Because if you can put it in the present tense with the aforementioned, I am so happy and grateful now, and you start saying it every day. Matter of fact, I have a success hypnosis even that I did to make it a part of my mind. My mind started to think it actually happened. And I kid you not, it only took a few years. My life is incredible. And it's like, sometimes I pinch myself, how did I get it? I got it by using these 7 words. And now I just want to scream it from the mountaintops, because you can have everything that you want to, but you have to suspend your disbelief. And you have to get past the part, the first time you drive a car, where you're like, wow, this is like so stressful and this seems so hard, I don't think I'll ever learn it. You have to get past, if there's any part of your mind when you do the affirmation, I am so happy and grateful now. You have to get past any unnatural feeling. And what will happen in 2 days, maybe 1 day, if you say it enough, in 30 days, the time is irrelevant. Your brain will think it's real, your mind will think it's real, and you will start to see what people call luck, coincidences. What a coincidence! You were just talking about how you wanted more money and you got that new client. It's not a coincidence and it's not luck, it's by law. Because you put it in your mind and your mind thought it was real. Anything you put in your mind, you will soon hold in your hand. It's law. Universal law. See it in your mind, hold it in your hand. So, what I'm inviting you to do is comment down below, see it in your mind, hold it in your hand. Comment that down below, see it in your mind, hold it in your hand. And then fill in the second part of that statement. You have the first part, I am so happy and grateful now. I am so happy and grateful now. And if you want to use my success hypnosis, it's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com, pinned to the comments. It's free in the comments right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. And what you'll do is fill in the second part so you can really convince the mind. I'm so happy and grateful now. Then you fill the second part. You close your eyes, you use your imagination, and then write it down. Write it down on an index card, write it down on a whiteboard, write it down on a piece of paper and put it on a magnet on your refrigerator. Just get it so you have it down. And this is when the magic is going to start to happen. So I just gave you the 7 most powerful words to transform your life with positive affirmations. I'm telling you, suspend your disbelief. Just give yourself a chance, give your dreams a chance, and give your mind a chance to see how powerful it actually is. I'm telling you, it's crazy, crazy powerful. So have a fantastic day. Write this down. Come back and report back to the amazing things that start to show up in your life. Leave a comment of your success story. If you've already had success with my success hypnosis or with previous videos, share your success story right there down below on the bottom. And hey, if you haven't yet, like this video. That's what sends it out into the YouTube universe. So if you dig this channel, you dig this video, make sure you hit the like button. You can subscribe and hit the good old bell notification on the side. For whatever reason, that's the only way you get notified for videos, is you actually have to hit the bell notification as well. So you can just do a trifecta if you want. Like, subscribe, bell notification. I am so happy and grateful now that all of your dreams are coming true. I am so happy and grateful now that large sums of money are coming to you in avalanches of abundance. I am so happy and grateful now that you are a powerful being. I'm so happy and grateful now that you are starting to have everything work out for you. I'm so happy and grateful now that health is vibrating through every single cell of your body. You feel renewed, you feel invigorated, you feel inspired. You don't even feel tired anymore. You feel pumped up, excited, inspired about all the great things that life has to offer. I am so happy and grateful now. Those are the 7 words that can unlock the most amazing dreams and desires and realities that you could possibly imagine.